Hello everyone, I'm Carlos from the Accenture team. To whom who don't know, we are from Egypt. We are an official partner from Egypt, like I said. Okay, we are here today to tell you a story. Okay, a story about one of our engineers who was frustrated, and almost quit. It all started on a normal work day when he received a request to build a custom financial script report. His reaction was like, again, another report. But this was a complex script report, as it's supposed to be a little bit more than 50 notes from different financial report sources. Anyone who has worked on something like that can really relate or know how it could be much struggling. Now imagine he was working on not just one report, but 4 reports. So he took a deep breath and started working on a sample output from the client, talking and reviewing the structure with the financial consultant. Then they return back to the client to take a feedback from that structure, then return back to the developer and updating the code and again in this standard cycle. And oops, we forgot to loop our project manager. And isn't it 2025? It's supposed to be flying cars right now. So I guess it could be a little bit messy as for the cycle, and I guess it take more than 1 week for this cycle. But hold on. I guess we have insights, right? We could use insights. So we start exploring, but we couldn't find a way to build a financial script using Insight, and it's also consumed another 2 days. And remember, the clock is ticking, so we are run out of time. So we had to think again. What a Frappe engineer do? Build an abstraction, proof it fast, get user validation, enhance and repeat, but with a time constraint. Okay, now I guess the best one to talk about the solution is the engineer who was almost quit, Kiro.
Thank you, Carlos. Thank you, guys. Hello, I am Kiro. Kerolles, like Kiro, the guy who was thinking about resigning because building a complex financial report. While we are trying to solve this problem, we conduct a session to try to figure it out and build design and to make building complex financial report easier for user and developer. After almost 18 working hours, we hacked the problem and we built a disposable module. As you know, everything in Frappe is a doc type. Even the doc type is a doc type. So we built a doc type called report schema. In this video, I will show you a sample demo for this tool, it's financial report builder, to build a fake use case, sample use case, to building profit and loss, mapped profit and loss demo report. Report schema is a tree view doc type where we can define the nodes. Nodes simply is a row in the report. It includes accounts list, child table to identify the list of accounts and where we can get this accounts from the report source. So the node here, this is the report source profit and loss statement. This is the account name, row index to control the sorting of this node in the report view. One day, we find that there is node doesn't come from core financial report, or it's not a straightforward node. So we're building a feature, build row based on row schema. Sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm struggling with. So we found that some reports nodes doesn't come from financial reports like GL, balance sheet, P&L statement, nor they formula-based instead they required custom scripts with data manipulation. So build node based on custom method. Later, this is the end result of the report view. This is the add method, custom method. You give it the method and it manipulates the data of a report. The moral, okay. Actually, before building this module, whenever a change request come into the report, I feel I'm so frustrated because the change request take a lot of time. But after building the financial report builder, I really enjoy about building complex reports. When I look back to this tool, we went from spending 30 days of building hard-coded mapped reports to just 6 hours using our new module. From nearly 700 lines code down to just 60 lines of code, 5 methods. It end up to happy consultant, happy paying customer, happy project manager, and happy developer. And there is one more thing that Mina will introduce.
So, what I want to just say that when we were discussing this, when we were planning to come here to Frappe build, we were not sure if this was worth showing or talking about, because the problem seems very trivial. It's almost like a needed feature inside Frappe Insights. So yesterday we were talking with Sakib over coffee, and we told him that we built this, we hacked this tool, and we think that it's supposed to be a feature for people to be able to create custom or manipulate the data from ERP Next reports, because there is a lot of business logic already baked into it. So he actually, it actually clicked with him, and he thought about building it. And if you know how the Frappe engineers work, the cool club kids work, the cool club, not kids, the cool club engineers work. Whenever they get to, whenever they are convinced with some idea, things get started to roll and happen for us, even to make our life easier. I'm pretty sure that most businesses on the front line doing customization and customer support having a lot of similar feature, but we are almost maybe reluctant to share this and even hack it, because whenever we did this, whenever we started developing the tool, it's actually we're like very hacky, like only 5 methods. This is not worth to be shared with the world. But I'm pretty sure that there's a lot. Of course, the tool is now open sourced. whoever is keen to use it or build on it, we will be discussing more with Saqib to test it out and even try to contribute it to be in insights. And one thing, because we didn't know insight development, this is what was Carlos trying to say, we had to just use ERP Next and use the tree view doc type and just make it work for what we know in that limited timeline. So bottom line, please build more and communicate more with the Frappe guys. They are very open. They need this kind of first line input from us, and this is how the products gets more mature by time. Thank you.